The MBA Global program is designed for anyone who is seeking to make that move into management, and if they are already into management, to make that next step up the professional ladder.
I really like this program as it gives the exposure to real business world when it comes to the marketing, finance, HR and business management.
I have a management background and I wanted to know more about the international opportunities and study the diverse cultures.
The MBA Global has got industry hardwired into its DNA. It's built into everything we do, from the activities and modules through to the placement in the second year of the program. Students have an option to take an internship in a company that can last for up to 8 months.
I joined HR team of Transport for Wales last February, and it was a really amazing experience so far. I'm doing with them 2 projects, social partnership and HR reward, which is so beneficial for me to build my career in future.
So my placement here is mostly into the logistics firm. I look out for F1's logistics business. On day-to-day basis, I look up their repair orders and sales order. I ship their sales and repair orders to the vendors, to the customers, and also I look up to their logistic providers.
So the departments that the students will have the opportunities to work with in AFIN from an operational perspective would be the warehousing, it would be the logistics department, and also the engine shop, with an element of the opportunity to work in the operations office, where we also have our quality teams, our health and safety teams, and also the repairs teams.
The MBA Global is a highly diverse student and staff community. If you come to us, you'll be working with a staff team which is itself drawn from all parts of the world.
The best part of the course was the networking events and the career fairs that USW arranged.
You are taking a program which is effectively 2 years in length, or it's just short of 2 years in length, but you're only paying for the equivalent of 1 year of student fees.
The best part of the course is oral experience I've got. Not only the education, but the interaction with the students, lectures, and social life also, and work experience. They're just brilliant.
MBA Global graduates move into a range of careers after they leave the university. Recent graduates, for example, have moved into organisations like Deloitte, Santander, the National Health Service and the Ministry of Justice. We offer an extracurricular programme which would rival that of any of the big business schools across the UK. Our guest speakers in the last 2 years have included people like Sir Tony Blair, former British Prime Minister, Julia Gillard, the former Australian Prime Minister. We have its senior figures, major global decision makers, with the idea that our graduates should have the ability to access those who have made some of the biggest decisions on a global stage.